So hey guys, I'm back in my place again for the last time till I be moving more closer to the city. But yes, hope you enjoy these new videos, hope you enjoy this new camera, and yes, for anyone else who is currently in NYC, let me know. We're down for collaboration, and I'm also down for the no, I'm not down for that. Keep on watching, keep on striving, and always remember that she came to me.
New York.
So folks, this is my new street that I moved into. That was my urgent care that I had to check for some specific reason. Wink wink. But yes, this is Alexandria Avenue. Man, my accent has really changed. Can you feel it? Man, my accent has really changed. Man, my accent has really changed. Oh my god, I'm absorbing this New York vibe. 9 years I couldn't be here and I'm here now. So yeah, now I'm just heading back to my place. I really feel my accent has changed. This is nuts. Oh my god. Wow. Crazy. That's crazy, right? What? Unbelievable. But yeah. Oh man, this is now my 5th day in New York. Oh, sorry, dear. Oh, size flowers. I really like them. I got them on the camera. Let me get this. Wait. I gotta get this last part. How sweet it is with the.
You need to go in there and check their
Yeah. Are you open tomorrow? Cause I just came back from work.
Yeah, they are
You open tomorrow? This is my neighborhood. I'll be here.
Wonderful. Oh my god, I don't want Jesus Christ. I don't want.
It is inside, right?
They have truffle. They have everything you want.
Yeah.
Everything
Everything I want. Everything.
Anything you want.
Oh my god, I'll be here.
Pretzels and caramel and chocolate.
Yeah, I like it. I will be here. I'm in the neighborhood. I'll be. Salute. You know, I've said it many times. When you're coming to, like, imagine, like, I've been to New York. This will be now my 3rd time. I went one time when I was a kid, one time when I was an adult, 2012, and now I'm in here now. But it's a different area, different experience, different people I can meet. You know, so it is very important for a lot of you people who aren't to get out their comfort zone. They have to do it. You know. Maybe, I don't know. I wish. Let's get to work. That's what I say. Get these videos. I was saying that maybe, yeah, you know, so who knows? I don't know. I got some people. 100. To one of the main roads. As you can see, it says Bronx Boulevard. Gonna get a little closer. Get something to eat. Hombre. Learned that from Mexico. Hombre. Mamba Suites. That's a hotel? No one told me about that. Mamba Suites. Ooh, let's take a. No one told me about Mamba Suites. So we're just heading back. I'm gonna make sure to do like a sit down video of like in America. Definitely do a sit down view of it. But yeah, but as I was saying, I look at me 2 years ago, maybe 2 years ago, 2 months, I was working in Skechers. I had no clue. I was surrounded by useless, pathetic androids who only were worried about the pay at the end of the month. Bullshit, drinking, smoking, waiting for the weekend to truly live their life. And I'm living my life every day. But you gotta take that chance. You gotta. So you wanna cross right there where it says Richards Avenue. Just waiting here while we're crossing over. You know, it's very similar like how it was in Toronto. You know, there was a part like I was staying which was called Etobicoke. Very similar buildings over there, similar kind of buses as well. This is the BX16 that's coming out here. Don't you know, you can see Popeyes right over there. See Popeyes over there. we're gonna try and make a run for it. Yeah, we're gonna go really quickly. Come with me. We're gonna go. We made it. Yes. We're just making our way back to our place. I'm saying our. It's just me and the ones that refer to the rich team, of course. And we will record it into the rich team. They have no option. I have the contrast in my bag. Joining me is mandatory, baby. And yes, I'm now back in my place. I made the long trip from New Jersey. No, New Jersey's that side. New Jersey, Newark, all the way to the Bronx, East Bronx, you know. And I gotta say, I'm really loving it here, opposed to where I was before. You know, here there's more space, there's more oxygen, and I've got more time to really work on, you know, producing the best video content that Rich Man Z can possibly offer, you know. So stay tuned, and you know, everyone's, you know, follow the videos, you know, because I'm gonna be going around all the different parts in New York City. Some of the places that I never got to visit the last 2 times. Yes, Richie Rich came here 2 times before, you know, but when I came here before, it was like always with, you know, the family trips, and it's like I never really got to enjoy it. You know, I was always taken as recommendations, oh, you should go here, and you know, I never really got to take in, you know, being a New Yorker, you know, really take a part of being here in New York. So definitely stay tuned, because there will be a lot of videos, you know. We've already been to MSG, Empire State Building, the Statue of Liberty, maybe go to the City Hall, Music Hall, you know, dance hall, whatever. We're gonna go journey around NYC, the only way a rich man can, you know. But what I need you for you folks, because I just invested in myself, in the channel, in Rich Man Z. I got myself a GoPro camera Silver, you know. So what I'm gonna need you to do for me to keep continuing on this content, you need to click that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you guys are gonna help me, honestly, just keep on upgrading, keep on like moving the channel forward, you know, and growing, because that's what my main plan was. You know, I remember, if you go to videos back, I was talking about the time to become like a full-time, you know, not even just a YouTuber or a full-time like content creator. The time is now, and I'm not wasting any more time. So please, por favor, join the rich team. All the links are down in the description, and make sure you have a fantastic day. Peace to you know the rest.